9-1 work together. You have been asked to start a new accounts payable ledger for Warren River Supply, account number 240, with a balance on October 1st of the current year of $1,489.50. And a new accounts payable page for Zodiac Industries, account number 250, with a balance for October 1st of the current year of $2,491.80. In the accounts payable ledger form below, numbers are used to identify locations to which items are entered. In the table that follows, you're going to select the value to be entered at each location on an accounts payable ledger form. Okay, so here we have the Warren River Supply and the Zodiac Industries. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be filling in what needs to go at each number. So number 1 for Warren River Supply is going to be that account name. So we're just going to go ahead and say Warren River Supply. Now, really, if it's in our accounts payable ledger, this should actually say vendor, and same thing with this should say vendor number. Our vendor number then they give us is account number 240. Number 3 is the date. So we are putting this as October 1st. Number 4, we are writing in the balance. So we're going to simply put balance. Number 5, we don't have a post reference for this because we're not getting this off of a journal page. This is just our balance, so we're going to put a check mark there. Number 6, we don't have a debit to this account, so that's going to be blank. And number 7, we don't have a credit that we're posting, so that's going to be blank as well. Number 8 then is going to be the balance of this $1,489.50. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with Zodiac Industries. Account name is going to be for number 1. Account number, they tell us in the directions, is 250. The date is also October 1st. Balance is going to be listed under the item. We do not have a post reference, so we're going to use a check mark. We don't have a debit right now, so we are going to leave blank. Same thing with the credit. And we're simply going to put in our balance of $2,491.80 in the credit balance column. Okay, that is all we are doing there. So I'm going to check my answer and save and continue. You can now complete the 9-1 on your own and then move to the 9-2 lecture.